welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make pineapple chicken burger. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make this delicious burger, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you guys can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Cooking with Afton, alright? And also I'm making some pine drink as well, so look out for that video as well, okay? I'm sure by now you guys know that I love eating pineapple, so I'll be making a lot of dishes with pineapple. My next video or next week I'll be uploading my pineapple kebab, chicken kebab, so look out for that video as well. I should upload it next week. Alright guys, and also please subscribe to my second channel. It's called Natural Afton, and all my ingredients and measurements for my pineapple chicken burger I will leave in the description box down below. And also guys, I want to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my video. When you guys watch my ads in my video, it helps me out a lot. Okay guys, so let me just show you my ingredients for my pineapple chicken burger. Enjoy! Hey guys, so today we'll be making some pineapple chicken burger. So these are my ingredients. So we have some onion powder, paprika, chili powder. I have a burger seasoning. I have all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning. And over here I have some chicken breast that I cut up fine, and also use some in the food processor. Over here I have 1 egg, mustard hot sauce. Over here I have some breadcrumbs, and here I have some grated ginger, garlic, and fine leaf thyme. So let's get started. So guys, just now I forgot to show you guys, I'm also going to be putting some mozzarella cheese inside of the burger, okay? So we're going to season our burger meat now. So this is my ginger and my garlic and fine leaf thyme. This is the burger seasoning, chicken season, all-purpose season, black pepper, paprika, chili powder. This is my breadcrumbs. Here I have 1 egg. And over here I have my mustard hot sauce. So I'm going to mix everything together. So I'm going to mix everything together just like this. And make sure all my seasoning is well combined. Mix up into the meat. Just like this. I'm going to mix. Just so. And then you're going to take like a handful of mozzarella cheese, and you're going to mix it into your burger. Alright? And you're going to let this marinate for about 20 minutes or so. Yeah, but if you want, you can let it marinate overnight. But I'm just going to let this marinate for about 20 minutes because I'm hungry right now and I want to eat my pineapple chicken burger as soon as possible. So we'll be back in 20 minutes. Okay guys, my meat has been marinating for 20 minutes. So what you're going to do now, we're going to make some patties, okay? So you're going to take about a handful. And we're going to make some chicken burger patties just like this. And make it a little bit more thicker. Yeah, just like this. And then you're going to put it into your plate. Let me show you guys another one. Today I'll be making about 3 chicken burgers. So this is how it's looking here. So I'm going to light my stove now and show you guys and I'm frying it up. So we'll be back. While it's cooking, I'm going to put a little bit more butter inside. And let it fry. Alright? So probably let it fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. So we'll be back. Hey guys, I'm going to turn over my burger now and then you guys see. So here it goes. And the other one. Oops. Yeah. You can press it down a little bit and let it cook. Okay guys, let it cook for another 3 minutes. We'll be back. So guys, my chicken burger is all finished now. The 2 patties. So I'm going to take it out and put it in my plate here. Take out the other one and put it in the plate. And I'm gonna put some more butter in my pan, just like this. And I'm gonna put in the other 2 burger patties. This is one, and this is the other one. Alright, let it fry about 3 minutes on each side. So we'll be back. 2 burger patties here. So let it fry on the other side for another 3 minutes. You can also press it down just like this. Okay guys, so we'll be back when it's finished. Okay guys, so this part is optional. If you want, you can put some cheese on top of your burger while it's frying. Just like this. Just a little bit and we'll be back. So guys, sorry about the lighting guys. My phone is overheated, so the flash came off. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna put some butter in this pot here. So you're gonna toast your bun. Alright? You're gonna toast the bun. For like about a minute or so. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so you're gonna take off your bun now and put it into a plate. It's already toasted. This is how it's looking here. So I put in another bun in the pot. So let's go and assemble these 2 other buns and I'll show you guys how it's gonna look. So guys, so these are my chicken burger here. Over here I have my mustard, hot sauce, mayonnaise and ketchup. Over here I have my pineapple, cucumber, tomato, lettuce and my cheese. Here I have my bun, so I'm gonna assemble it. I'm going to assemble it now and let you guys see. Okay guys, so I want to make a sauce on my burger. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour some ketchup. Lord of mercy. So I just put my ketchup, so I'm gonna put some mustard hot sauce and I'm gonna put some mayo just like this, and I'm gonna mix it up together and make my burger sauce. So we'll be back. So these are my burger bun here. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour some of my sauce on the bottom of the bun just like this, and then I'm gonna put my lettuce just like this right to the bottom. So I just put my lettuce there. So I'm gonna put my tomatoes. Then I'm gonna put some cucumber just like this, And then you're gonna put in your pineapple. And then you're gonna put your burgers. And I also put some extra cheese on top of it. And I'm gonna put some more of my sauce. Actually, I'm gonna put it on the bun. Right? I'm gonna put it on the top bun now. Just like this. Also, I'm going to put some on the cheese as well. I love a lot of sauce on my burger, guys. So I'm going to close my burger now. Yummy, 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 guys. So this is my pineapple chicken burger. So I'm going to taste it on camera, let you guys see. It might be a little dark, but I'm going to still taste it on camera, let you guys see. I'm so excited to eat my pineapple chicken burger. So I'll taste it now, let you guys see. So guys, so this is the end results for my pineapple chicken burger. Oh my god. Guys, I love eating pineapple, so I love to make different dishes with pineapple. So I'm going to taste my pineapple burger on camera and let you guys see. So here goes. It's so big, guys. Wow. This is a juicy burger, guys. I'm gonna try another piece. You guys really need to try this pineapple burger. You would love it. I gotta get another piece, guys. This burger is so good. It's good, guys. Try this recipe. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my pineapple chicken burger video. Give my video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and also subscribe to my second channel, Natural Afton. I will leave that link in the description box down below. And if you reach the end of the video, thank you so much for watching my video. And sorry about the quality because it's night right now. Alright, take care. Bye.